The F-35 Lightning II fighter jet is a stealth aerial marvel that comes with a huge cost and both technical and operational challenges. Let's take a moment to appreciate the F-35 Lightning II, a machine that has redefined the boundaries of what we thought possible in the world of aviation, and the countries that have invested in this technological masterpiece. This advanced multirole combat aircraft, with its stealth capabilities, supersonic speed and astonishing maneuverability, is nothing short of a mechanical marvel. But all this innovation comes with a hefty price tag. The cost of each F-35 Lightning II is in the realm of hundreds of millions of dollars, a figure that includes not just the jet itself, but also the sophisticated systems it carries, the training required to fly it, and the ongoing maintenance to keep it in the sky. This is an investment that goes beyond just the purchase of an aircraft. It's a commitment to a cutting-edge defense infrastructure. So, which countries have made this substantial investment in their defense capabilities? Countries that have purchased the F-35 fighter jet include the United States, the primary customer, with plans to acquire 2,443 aircraft for an estimated $323 billion. United Kingdom initially planned to purchase 138 F-35s, but later revised to 48 F-35Bs with options for additional aircraft. Italy ordered 90 F-35s with 69 F-35As and 21 F-35Bs, and will also host a final assembly and checkout facility. The Netherlands, participating in the F-35 program as a Level 2 partner with plans to acquire 37 F-35 as Australia, committed to buying 72 F-35As with deliveries underway. Canada initially contributed $160 million to the development program but later withdrew. However, in 2022, Canada shortlisted the F-35 for its future fighter program. Norway ordered 52 F-35As with deliveries completed in 2022. Denmark committed to buying 27 F-35As with deliveries expected from 2023. Turkey was a Level 3 partner, but its participation was terminated in 2019 due to its acquisition of the Russian S-400 air defense system. Israel ordered 50 F-35Is with deliveries completed in 2021. Singapore ordered 4 F-35Bs with options for 8 more. Belgium selected the F-35A in 2018 to replace its F-16 fleet, with 34 aircraft on order. Poland ordered 32 F-35 as in 2020, with deliveries expected from 2024. Finland selected the F-35A in 2022 to replace its FA-18 Hornet fleet, with 64 aircraft on order. Switzerland selected the F-35A in 2022 to replace its FA-18 Hornet and F-5 Tiger II fleets, with 36 aircraft on order. The United States, the birthplace of the F-35, is the largest operator of this fighter jet. The land of the free, known for its military prowess, has invested heavily in these birds of steel. The US has purchased around 2,400 of these jets, an impressive number that speaks volumes about their faith in the F-35's capabilities. Now, let's talk about cost. Each F-35 comes with a price tag of about $89 million. Yes, you heard that right, $89 million. This mammoth investment has seen F-35ES deployed far and wide, from the East Coast to the West, from the sunny shores of Florida to the frosty landscapes of Alaska. The US, without a doubt, is leading the pack in the pursuit of the F-35. Europe, a continent known for unity, also has a shared interest in the F-35. Let's take a closer look at this collective investment. The United Kingdom, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Denmark, and Belgium have all made significant investments in this state-of-the-art aircraft. The costs of these aircraft are substantial, yet these countries see the value in their advanced capabilities. For instance, the United Kingdom, a key player in Europe's defense strategy, has committed to purchasing 138 F-35s, making it the largest European investor in the program. Italy follows suit with 90 jets, while the Netherlands, Norway, Denmark, and Belgium have committed to 37, 52, 27, and 34 jets, respectively. These investments are not just about the number of jets, it's also about the strategic deployment of these advanced machines, ensuring that Europe remains at the forefront of global defense strategies. Now let's move from Europe to the Middle East, a region known for its defense spending. In the Middle East and Asia, the F-35 is also making its mark. Now let's jet off to the Middle East, where Israel, a long-standing ally of the United States, is the first in the region to get its hands on the F-35. With an impressive fleet of 20 F-35s, Israel is leading the pack in the Middle East. These state-of-the-art machines come with a hefty price tag, each costing around $100 million. But for Israel, the F-35 is more than worth the cost. The aircraft's advanced stealth features and unparalleled surveillance capabilities have been instrumental in maintaining Israel's military edge in the region. Swinging over to Asia, South Korea and Japan have also joined the F-35 club. South Korea, a nation known for its technological prowess, has purchased 40 F-35s to bolster its air defense capabilities. Each aircraft cost South Korea around $90 million, a considerable investment, but one that the South Korean government deems necessary in the face of potential threats. On the other hand, Japan, a country famous for its precision and attention to detail, has invested heavily in the F-35 program. With more than 100 F-35s in its fleet, Japan is the largest operator of the aircraft in Asia. The cost? A cool $110 million per aircraft. But for Japan, the F-35's cutting-edge technology is seen as a crucial component of its defense strategy. While the costs of these aircraft are indeed staggering, it's important to remember the value they provide. These are not just machines of war, but tools for maintaining peace and stability. The F-35's advanced features allow for superior surveillance, precise targeting, and maximum operational efficiency. These countries see the F-35 as a long-term investment, one that will safeguard their territories and ensure their military might for years to come. Apart from the major players, there are also other countries that have invested in the F-35. One such country is Australia, which has jumped on the bandwagon with an impressive 72 F-35s. With a total investment of $12 billion, the Aussies are banking on this state-of-the-art aircraft to bolster their defense capabilities. They've got the F-35s deployed across several key locations, including the Royal Australian Air Force Base in Williamtown. Then we have Canada, another country that has shown considerable interest in the F-35. Although they've had a bit of a love-hate relationship with this aircraft, they've still committed to purchasing 88 units. That's a significant investment, totaling around $15 billion. It's interesting to note that despite some initial hesitation, Canada has now fully embraced the F-35, with plans to deploy the jets across various air bases in the country. Last, but certainly not least on our list, is Singapore. Having recently confirmed its intent to purchase the F-35s, it's the newest kid on the block. The city-state has decided to start off with a modest 4 aircrafts, with the option to buy 8 more. This initial purchase will cost them around $2 billion, which is a significant amount for such a small country. But then again, Singapore has always prioritized its defense, and the F-35s are just the latest addition to its robust arsenal. Its advanced capabilities have appealed to a diverse range of countries, each with their own unique defense needs and objectives. To summarize, the F-35 Lightning II is a global aircraft with countries from different continents investing in its advanced capabilities for their defense needs.